So far, we've only looked at question writing in a pretty theoretical way. So in this video, we'll take a look at an actual example to show some of the decisions we might have to make. So first of all, I'm going to create a question type of calculated number. So there's a number input type and a calculated number. The calculated allows students to enter computations right into the system, which is usually what I want students to be able to do. So what I will do is, maybe I just want something very, very simple, like students to add two numbers together. So maybe I say something like, what is, in my question text I'm going to write, what is, and then A plus B. So I'm doing $A and $B. Of course, if I quick save and preview this, then we're not going to see much there because we haven't defined A and B yet. So we're going to go up to the common control and we'll give A value of 17 and B a value of 22. Now if I quick save and preview, now we see what is 17 plus 22. So if we actually entered 17 plus 22, and we hit enter, we actually get that incorrect. We were expecting this to be correct, but at the top we see we have some debug info. We have empty, missing, or invalid answer variable. So what this says is, well, we haven't defined, well, what this says is, well, we haven't defined an answer variable, so the system doesn't know what the actual answer is. So what we're going to do is go back to our common control, and we're going to tell the system what the answer is. So we'll do $answer equals, and then the answer is 39, but we probably don't want to hard code this as 39 because if A or B changes, the answer might no longer be 39. So what we're going to do is actually do A plus B. So if we save that, now we go back to the preview and we do 17 plus 22. Now we get correct feedback. And also notice that in this preview mode, we can do show answer, and it shows us what the actual answer is. Okay, so far nothing too complicated. Maybe we want to add a little bit of formatting option here. So maybe we want to do something like, in our question text, we'll do a line return, and then we'll do some math, and we'll do $A plus $B, and then equals. And maybe we want our answer box to be right after that equals sign. However, if we save this, so we do a little preview, our answer box is still on another line. So there's actually a designated variable within iMathAS that is $answer box. So if we go to our question text and we actually do $answer box, and now we hit quick save and preview, now the answer box sits right behind where we put it. So this $answer box right here is just a designated variable that allows us to indicate where we want the answer box to be. So we can place that within our question text to like manually dictate where that answer box goes. If we don't add that in there, it's just going to put the answer box at like the very bottom of the question. So another option we have is maybe we think that this answer box is too large. There's another designated variable, answer box size. We can set this to the number of characters long we want that answer box to be. So the default is 20, so maybe we make it half as long. We do answer box size equals 10. Quick save and preview, and now we get a shorter answer box. So again, if we go to the writing questions help, a lot of the designated variables are going to be there, but this is kind of just an example of a workflow for writing a question.